Today I'm going to introduce two models from Chison. One is the SonoAir as you see here, and then the other is the Eco 6. Our Eco 6 model is highly cost effective for the portable ultrasound, and then the SonoAir is our next generation for the laptops. And these are our latest models. And we're going to be comparing them with the following models: the Chison Eco 5, the Sonoscape E1V, Mindray DP-50, and the DP-30 from Mindray as well. And these two here are a totally new generation that redefines the market for product machines here. The SonoAir is a laptop, as you see. Really, it's indistinguishable with any regular laptop when you close it like this. It's very easy to carry, and which is very interesting, it's extremely lightweight. The actual weight of the machine is only 2.1 kilograms. It's amazing, which is the lightest portable ultrasound machine in the world to date. Next, we're going to discuss the operation. It's very intuitive, easy to use. When we go back to the main menu here, as you see, it shows different organs by the symbols. It's very good here for the doctors or other medical workers when compared with the other models. It's much easier to operate and to understand. And next, we're going to be going over when we compare the image with the other models. The SonoAir has the best image, especially when it comes to 2D, and also when compared with the other models. At this price level, we can support color and the pathway, which has more functions. Now we're going to go back to the 2D image here. Let's take an example of my thyroid. Fortunately, when we compare our image here, when compared to the Eco 6, Eco 5, E1V, and then the two Mindray models here, the SonoAir has the best image quality by far, especially for the near film right here. We can differentiate what's being shown here. The tissues with the different layers are extremely clear, even less than 1 centimeter. It's so clear. Again, you see the Eco 6 is good, much better than the Eco 5, much better than the E1V, and then the DP-50 and 30, of course, are the worst case. You can see the near field absolutely almost nothing at all. But for the SonoAir, it's extremely clear. The next we're going to go over, which is very important, the contrast of the image for the boundary. You can see the boundary of my thyroid right here and of my soft tissue. It's so clear, the image, and it's much more continuous. It's better than the Eco 6, the Eco 5, and E1V. But for DP-50, you can see the continuousness of it. It's so much noise, it's indistinguishable. So this is a huge advantage for the SonoAir. And the third thing is the image quality is the most important for the uniformity, because when we do the scanning, the tissues, the uniformity is also very important for the doctors to see. And we see here the uniformity for the SonoAir, the near field all the way to the far field. It's extremely clear, easy to detect, and it looks very smooth. It's much more advanced even in the Eco 6 that we have here, and then of course in the Eco 5, the E1V, and the DP-50 by Mindray, and of course the DP-30. And now when we go to the Sonoscape E1V, you can see the function and uniformity is nowhere as good as the SonoAir. Here, for example, there is brightness, but then here it's not as bright as above, and for the Mindray, it's the same exact thing. The brightness is not that good. It's very below average. But for the near field and the far field, they will miss a good amount of information, unlike the SonoAir, which is very smooth and has excellent uniformity and clarity. The next, we're going to go over the color. And the pathway is superb for the SonoAir compared with the others. The other models cannot support them. And the most important thing for this one is it can support the battery for 3 hours, which is the longest compared with all these other models here. So as you see, the SonoAir has much more of a beautiful design compared with the other models shown here. And it's the lightest, it's the most elegant of the machines. And also, it's extremely thin, and it makes the unit much easier to breathe. And it's not like the other systems where you need to lug it around, but this one, it's light, you can easily pick it up, and it has our best workflow. It also has this fourth screen capability, but for Mindray and Sonoscape, they cannot do that, of course. So you can see more of the picture here on the screen, and the actual image quality is much more clear and precise and pristine, in fact, compared with the other models at hand.